Hi everybody, I just want to bring something to your attention regarding the Leonardo AI tool. I have been using it to create designs for my print-on-demand business, and I recently came across something that I thought I should make everybody aware of. I was trying to generate some images of nurses to create tumbler wraps. I sell both digital products as well as print-on-demand products, and tumbler wraps is a very popular item. I put in the prompt vector illustration in Pixar style of a young modern nurse with a brown ponytail. So these are the images that were generated. On two of these images you can actually see a watermark, Dreams Time. You can barely see it on this one, but it's there. Actually, it's on three of them. Let's just bring this one up. I don't know what exactly the watermark is. It looks like Dreams Time to me. So Dreams Time is a stock site that you can go subscribe to and go on and download images. This one clearly has the watermark here. So while I was under the impression that Leonardo AI created these images from the prompts that you give it, although I was not sure how it did it, I'm pretty sure now that it goes on and scans the websites for different images that match your prompt, whether it modifies them or not. This one is a little bit warped. I don't know what this is supposed to be. This one clearly has it here, Dreams Time. It doesn't even take out the watermark. So I'd be very careful if I were you, if you're generating any images for resale, whether it be print on demand or Etsy designs that you sell or whatnot. It's very, very disturbing. That's the last thing I was expecting to see today. So if you've come across any similar experiences with Leonardo AI, please let me know in the comments, and I'd encourage you to like and share this video so that other people can be made aware of it as well. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me create more things that I can bring to you. Thank you.